Friends, just look at this post by Samsung. It says the next Galaxy is almost here. That means like Samsung is planning to launch their new product. I hope it is Galaxy 8 Flip Fold 8. Yes. And what it is saying that people may win like Galaxy Watch 8 S25 or Galaxy Buds 3 FE. First of all, to check if it is legit or not, we'll just click here to check the Samsung. Yes, 162 million followers. That means that this is a legitimate thing. And if we come here, it says the next Galaxy is almost here. Register your interest for a chance to win, for a chance to be one of our winners. Your chance is waiting. Sign up now. So let's not just waste time and register ourselves in order to win this product that is being shown here, Galaxy Watch 8 S25, Galaxy Buds 3, if we are lucky enough. Okay, so what we'll just do, we'll just click on sign up, and it is saying, okay, I'm currently using Galaxy, yes, then all the details are here, continue, okay, and then submit. It is very simple. You may also visit their website, and if you found this post in your Facebook, you can also register yourself so that you are also in the queue, and if you're lucky enough, you may get a chance to win this Galaxy Watch 8 S25 Galaxy Buds 3. So I have already registered myself. If you want the link, I will just put it in the description, or else you can just visit their official Facebook handle and register yourself in order to participate in Win Every Day. Like we have got Galaxy Watch 8 S25 and Galaxy Buds 3. Hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.